thanks again for joining us on the Garagistic YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about another new product, something we've wanted to improve on for a very long time. We finally got around to doing it, so we appreciate all you guys' patience on it, but totally worth the wait. What we ended up creating was an aluminum E30 IS lip splitter. This used to be made out of ABS plastic, and we just want to do something a little bit better and incorporate things that we really want to do on our own couple race cars that we're like, well, we're not the only weirdos who want this stuff. So this is a prototype of the lip, but this is bare. The one we end up releasing will be powder coated wrinkle black, but we can do matte black and do weird colors. Totally cool item that's going to be coming out, and we're going to end up incorporating a lot of supporting mods to it, which will make it pretty functional. Actually, we're doing a belly pan that will fit underneath it, and some side canards, and maybe some rods. Well, I don't know. We'll see where it goes, you know. But I think this can be a really cool product. Thanks.